Friends, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about p block elements. What are the p block elements? In group number 15 to group number 18, nitrogen family elements, 15th elements. The first, what are the nitrogen family elements? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, and 115th element Un and pentium. Now the nitrogen present in the earth crust, 78% in the atmosphere. It is also present in the earth crust in some compounds like sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate also known as silly salt bitter. The bitter is nothing but explosive substance. And potassium nitrate. Another name of potassium nitrate is Indian salt bitter. Bitter is a explosive salt. And 11th most abundant in the element in the earth crust, phosphorus. Phosphorus rich in the phosphate minerals. They are classified into three types of materials or minerals. Fluoroapatite. Formula for fluoroapatite Ca5PO4 thrice F. And chloroapatite Ca5PO4 thrice and Cl. Hydroxyapatite Ca5PO4 thrice and OH. These are the minerals for phosphate. Okay. Properties of nitrogen family elements. First one, nitrogen is a gas. And other elements are solid in nature. Okay. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Isotopes of nitrogen is nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. Electronic configuration of nitrogen is 7, helium 2s2 2p3. And phosphorus 15th element, isotope is phosphorus 15, neon 3s2 3p3. Arsenic 33th element, arsenic 75 is isotope, argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Stibbium or antimony 51th element, isotope is Sb121, krypton 4d10 5s2 5p3. Bismuth 83th element, bismuth 209 is isotope. Electronic configuration of bismuth is xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p3. This is properties of nitrogen group elements. Next, preparation of nitrogen. The nitrogen preparation from sodium azide. Formula for sodium azide NaN3. 2 moles of NaN3. It undergoes thermal decomposition at 573 Kelvin to give 2 moles of sodium plus 3 moles of nitrogen gas evolved. Okay, it's a very important preparation. Sodium azide. So formula for sodium azide is 2 moles of NaN3 undergoes thermal decomposition at 575 Kelvin to give 2 moles of sodium and nitrogen gas evolved. Is another important preparation method, and 8 moles of ammonia is treated with 3 moles of bromine water to give 6 moles of ammonium bromide Br plus nitrogen gas evolved. Is important method. 2 mark question or 3 mark question. Preparation of nitrogen gas. Preparation method is a very important. First one sodium azide, another one ammonia treated with bromine water. Next one, properties of nitrogen, dinitrogen. Nitrogen generally rather inert. Inert means chemically inactive. The terrestrial nitrogen is isotope nitrogen. It contains a 14.5% N14 and 0.4% N15 composition, which is used for the isotope labeling. is a very chemically inert. Nitrogen gas chemically inert because the bond energy is 225 calorie mole inverse. The bond energy is high means chemically inert, and 946 kilojoule mole inverse. Okay, so compared to C triple bond O or C triple bond N or is compared to high reactive, but nitrogen is triple bond nitrogen is less reactive because bond energy is very high. Okay students, next is reactive with some group number 2 elements. Here 6 moles of lithium is treated with nitrogen gas to give lithium treated with nitrogen to give 2 moles of lithium nitride and 3 moles of calcium is to give nitrogen treated with nitrogen to give calcium 3 and calcium nitride and 2 moles of boron treated with nitrogen to give boron nitrides. Okay, these are the chemical properties of nitrogen. Another one is a very important method. Half moles of nitrogen and 3/2 moles of hydrogen to give ammonia, or nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen to give 2 moles of ammonia. Is a Haber process. Preparation of ammonia, Haber process in the presence of ion is a very important method for the preparation of ammonia, Haber process. And one more example for the nitrogen, 2 moles of nitrogen plus oxygen to give nitrous oxide, 2N2O. Nitrous oxide is laughing gas. Nitrous oxide is used for laughing gas. These are the chemical properties of nitrogen. First one, lithium treated with nitrogen to form lithium nitride, calcium treated with nitrogen to form calcium nitride, boron treated with nitrogen to boron nitride. In Haber process, preparation of ammonia by Haber process, half moles of nitrogen and 3/2 moles of hydrogen to give ammonia, or nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 mole of hydrogen to give ammonia by Haber process in the presence of ion. Okay, next one is nitrogen, 2 moles of nitrogen, 1 mole of oxygen is to give nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is nothing but laughing gas. These are very important for the chemical properties of nitrogen. Next topic is uses of nitrogen. Nitrogen gas very useful for the preparation of ammonia and nitric acid and calcium cyanamide. Formula for calcium cyanamide, CaCN twice. Okay, first one, preparation nitrogen gas used for the preparation of ammonia and nitric acid and calcium cyanamide. Next one, the nitrogen gas used for in the liquid state, liquid nitrogen is used in the cryosurgery at a low temperature. Cryosurgery is nothing but low temperature operations. So used for cryosurgery and biological preservation. It's a very use in 1 mark question. Ammonia, nitric acid, calcium cyanamide and liquid nitrogen is used in the cryosurgery in medical department and biological preservation. Okay students, we will meet next class with another topic. Thank you everyone.